Here's how I made 10 outfits using one Threadbeast box. So the first thing that I grabbed was this white tee that I combined with some cotton shorts to make this nice comfy fit. And then I threw some jeans on there, whoo! And here's a nice Saturday night outfit. And the second thing that they sent me was this awesome Fair Play Los Angeles crew neck. And ooh, does it look good as a comfy fit. And oh man, this is one of my absolute favorite fits, as you can tell. Just throwing some jeans on there as well for another Saturday night vibe. And the next thing that they sent me was, oh my lord, these pants. They are very, very nice and fit very, very nice. And they look great for a nice little bit casual, little bit business casual, you know. And then we got a little bit more businessy. I have a lot of floofy hair, so I'm not extremely businessy, but man, had this made me feeling good. The next thing they sent me was this crazy yellow shirt that I threw on with the pants and it looked great. And then I threw on some jeans for a nice festival fit with that same white t-shirt. And the last but not least, oh my gosh, this hoodie. Not only is it tan and tie-dye, but the back is absolutely incredible. And here are 4 additional outfits that I was able to make with just the Threadbeast box itself. Huge thank you to Threadbeast for